Hi, this is Miss Purple Rose again, here to read to you another poem called One Bird Alone. It says, as I sit back and think, I start thinking about my journey in life. Trying to keep on without strife, I smudge my feelings as my heart is willing to be mistreated. As I look confused, I feel the needed adjustment with people in my dealing. One bird who stands alone sees the fate surrounding and search for a secure heights, flying with all its mights, it finally takes its rest. Wiping its face, the bird's energy grows dim. So trying to be optimistic, it sees negativity. Then it cries, "Oh Lord, look at the sword." As the mouth of its opponents open, the sword strikes, killing anyone who's in the way. It say, "Oh my, is it my turn?" Then it sees the worm, nervous as it can be, looking to the right, the left, and behind. It starts to whine. I'm saying, when is I'm going to shine? So it takes a stand and demanding attention. Did I mention the one bird that's alone is me? This poem, ladies and gentlemen, I've written is because an associate had done reminded me about a certain bird, and it made me write that. So I'd rather be the eagle that soar alone than be a bunch of geese that quarreling. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.